Hello, you're right again. So this video is for the procedure. Basically, how do we view specimens under the microscope? And I've set it up. I've still got my monocot and dicot leaf there, ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to look down this and make sure I've got my objective lens set to 4 times magnification. I'm going to look down the eyepiece now just to see if I can focus. I'm going to take my glasses off, make it a little bit easier, and you can see I'm going to use this to move the stage up slowly. Okay, so I can then, while I'm moving the stage up, I'm going to look through and see if I can view the specimen. Now, you won't be able to see what I'm doing, but you can see. Okay, right. I've moved it up to such a point where I can actually now see the image. If I can't see anything, it might be because the specimen's not in the right place. Okay. So we need to make sure the specimen is in the middle for viewing. Now, I'm actually finding that a bit bright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn the light aperture down. Okay, I'll keep the aperture, but I'll turn the light source so it's not so bright. Okay, and now I've got a nice, good image there, but it's not highly magnified. Okay, so when you actually find your image, very important that we start the stage from the bottom, raise it up while you're looking through the eyepiece lens until you see your specimen. Focus properly, maybe use the fine focusing wheel to help you get a good image. Then what we're looking for you to do is see if you can identify what the organ is, several tissues, and maybe we'll focus in on some cells. And you can actually use your phone, get the camera down here and take an image of the leaf, the tissue and the cells when you focus in, so when you zoom in. So we'll go now, we'll switch over to number 10 times magnification. Your image should be in the middle. We'll drop the stage to the bottom again and we'll work our way up while we're viewing. Okay, and we're careful, being very careful not to put the slide here, so to raise it so much that it actually cracks on the objective lens. That's really important to stop any damage happening to your microscope. So now I've got an image. Yeah, I can use my fine focusing wheel to focus a bit more, and I can move the stage just to get my specimen right in the middle there, and I can see quite clearly now 2 layers of tissues. Yeah, because a tissue is something that's composed of the same kind of cell, so you should be able to see all the same kind of cell lined up in the leaf there. Okay, so now we've got 10 times magnification. It's a bit of a challenge, and see if we can see 40 times magnification. Now, it might be a better idea here to go start right from the top and work our way down so we don't crack the slide into. Okay, now crack the slide into the objective lens. So I can got a really good image now of, I can see clearly individual cells, and I can see that actually some of those cells, the layers, have different shapes and they obviously have different functions because they're different tissues. So that's essentially what we want to learn, how to view the images, the specimens under the microscope. It's a skill that you're going to use through 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 if you do biology. Okay, so tutorial over. Stop it, rewind to get to the point that you want to. Okay.